Let us solve few MCQs. So question number 1. Find the 0 of the polynomial x square minus 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial x square minus 4. So what are the options? The options are number A 2, number B 4 and 2, number C minus 2 and 2, and number D 4 and 16. So how to solve this one? As you have seen, you have x square minus 4. This is your px equal to x square minus 4. Now x square minus 4, this one can be converted into x square minus 2x square. That means now it is in which form? A square minus b square format. So what we know, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So here we will write x plus 2 into x minus 2. So we have the factors x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now for finding the zeros, we will take px equal to 0. That means either we will have x plus 2 equal to 0, that means x is how much? Minus 2, or we will have x minus 2 equal to 0, that means x equal to 2. So what are the zeros? Minus 2 and 2. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is minus 2 and plus 2. Okay, that means C is your correct answer. Number 2. So here is your question. The question is, what is the degree of the polynomial minus 8 plus 7m cube plus 3m square minus 2m? And your options are number A 0, number B 1, number C 2, number D 3. So how to find the degree of the polynomial? We already discussed this one in our earlier video, that degree is the highest power of the variable. So here what is the highest power of the variable? How much? 3. So the answer is 3. So which one is the correct option? Number D, because here the degree is 3. So option D is the correct answer. Now we will do one more MCQ, that is based on relationship between zeros and coefficient. So here is the question. Find the sum of the zeros of the polynomial minus 2y square plus 7y minus 3, and your options are number A 7 by 2, number B 7 by minus 2, number C minus 7 by 2, number D 0. So what is the correct answer? How to find the correct answer? Before finding the sum of the zeros, you need to know what is the formula for sum of the zeros. The formula for sum of the zeros is sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a. So what is your b here? In the polynomial, your b is 7, and what is your a? Your a is minus 2. So minus b by a will be minus 7 by minus 2. That means it is equal to 7 by 2. So which option is correct? Number A, 7 by 2 is the correct answer. Now after this, let's do one more MCQ, that is based on division algorithm. So here is your question. If the degree of px and gx are 3, then the degree of qx will be. Your options are number A 0, number B 1, number C 2, number D 3. For solving this problem, first of all you need to understand one thing. When you divide px by gx, and while dividing this, if the degrees are same, then after the first stage of division, the degree of Rx becomes less than the degree of Gx. That means you cannot do further division. And also in the first stage of division, since the degree of Gx and Qx are same, so the degree of Qx will be 0. Understood? Degree of Gx and Qx are 3. So after the first stage of division, we can't do further division. And the second thing, since the degrees are same, so the degree of Qx will be 0. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, 0.